In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Kit.com to Gohighlevel. We'll use Make, previously known as Integromat, to build an automation that moves data from Kit into Gohighlevel. You can also do this with Zapier or a direct webhook, but Make gives us a clean visual workflow, so that's what I'll demonstrate. Start by opening Make and signing in. From your dashboard, head to the Scenarios area where all automations live. Create a new scenario which opens a blank canvas. In the search bar, type Kit and select the Kit app. This first module will act as your trigger, meaning it listens for the event that should kick everything off. Choose the trigger that matches your use case. Common options are new subscriber, tag added, or form submitted. If you're collecting leads through a Kit form and want them in Gohighlevel, form submitted is a great starting point. When prompted, add a connection to Kit so Make has permission to read your data. Follow the on-screen authorization. Once connected, choose the relevant form ID so the scenario watches the exact form you need. Then map the email field so the subscriber's address is captured correctly. If you see optional fields, it's fine to leave them empty for now. You can refine them later. Click Save to lock in those trigger settings. Next, click the plus icon to add a second module and search for Gohighlevel. Select it, then pick the action you want. Make to perform when the Kit trigger fires. Popular choices include Create Contact, Add Tag, or Start Workflow. Create Contact is typically the first action, so the person exists in your CRM before you tag them or enroll them elsewhere. Add a connection to Gohighlevel and complete the required fields. Then map data from the Kit trigger to the Gohighlevel action. For example, map the email from Kit to the email field in Gohighlevel and map name or phone if they're collected on your form. For tags or workflows, make sure you select existing items from your Gohighlevel account so everything lines up cleanly. With both modules configured, click Run Once to test. Submit a test entry through your selected Kit form, then watch the scenario log in. Make to confirm the trigger runs and the Gohighlevel action completes without errors. If something doesn't match, adjust your field mapping and test again. Once the test looks good, your connection from Kit.com to Gohighlevel is ready to put into daily use.